Okay, so Huawei just dropped something that genuinely caught my attention, and I think it deserves way more hype than it is getting right now. This is the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, and honestly, from the moment I saw the specs on this thing, I had to talk about it because there is a lot going on here that most people are completely sleeping on. So stick around, because by the end of this video you are going to know everything you need to know about whether this watch is actually worth your money or not. If you are new here and you love honest tech breakdowns like this one, then hit that subscribe button right now and smash the like button. It genuinely helps this channel more than you know. Alright, let us get into it. So first things first, let us talk about what this watch actually is. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is a fitness-focused smartwatch that comes in at around €280, which puts it in a pretty competitive price bracket. And for that price, Huawei is packing in some seriously impressive hardware. We are talking a 1.92-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 480 by 408 pixels, landing at around 328 pixels per inch. And that peak brightness hits 3000 nits. 3000 nits. That is not a typo. That means you can be standing in the middle of the afternoon sun in direct sunlight and this display is still going to be perfectly readable. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of competitors in this price range, and I am not even close to done yet. Now let us talk about the build, because this is where it gets really interesting. Huawei went with a sapphire glass front, which is premium territory right there. The bezel is titanium alloy and you have got an aluminum mid-frame with a polymer fiber back. So the watch feels durable without being unnecessarily heavy. Comes in at just 30.4 grams and 9.5 millimeters thin. That is genuinely slim for a smartwatch, especially one that is this feature-packed. You can wear this thing all day and honestly forget it is even on your wrist. That is the kind of comfort factor that matters when you are actually using a fitness watch for workouts, tracking sleep, all of that. And speaking of durability, this thing is rated 5 ATM water resistant with IP6X dust protection, and it is certified for swimming up to 40 meters, which actually follows the EN 13319 diving standard. So this is not just splash-proof marketing speak. You can take this in the pool for real sessions and not worry about it at all. That is a big deal for swimmers and serious fitness people. Now let us get into the health and fitness features, because this is where Huawei always goes hard, and the Watch Fit 5 Pro is no different. You have got your standard accelerometer and gyroscope for motion tracking, a heart rate sensor, a compass, a barometer, a thermometer that measures skin temperature, and a depth sensor which ties into that diving certification. But the standout feature here is the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. This watch is ECG certified, meaning it can actually detect irregular heart rhythms and flag potential arrhythmia. That is not a gimmick. That is clinical-grade health monitoring on your wrist, and for someone who takes their health seriously, that kind of feature at this price point is genuinely impressive. Hey, real quick, if you are finding this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and drop a like on this video. It takes literally 2 seconds and it tells me you want more content like this. I really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow, so thank you for that, seriously. Alright, back to the watch. On the connectivity side, we have got Bluetooth 6.0 with LE support and NFC built in. No Wi-Fi on this one and no cellular, so keep that in mind. But Bluetooth 6.0 is actually really notable because it is the latest generation, offering improved range stability and lower energy consumption compared to older versions. And the GPS situation on this watch is wild in the best way. You are getting GPS with L1 and L5 bands, GALILEO with E1 and E5 AQZSS BDS, covering 3 separate bands, GLONASS and NAV-IC. That is 6 satellite systems and multi-band positioning on most of them. For a fitness watch, that kind of GPS accuracy is usually reserved for much more expensive dedicated running watches. Tracking outdoor workouts, runs, hike, cycling routes, this thing is going to nail your positioning data. The battery is a 471 mAh lithium-ion unit and it charges wirelessly. Now, Huawei has not dropped official battery life numbers yet, but based on the size of the cell and the efficiency of their recent watch lineup, I would expect somewhere in the range of several days of regular use. It charges wirelessly, which keeps the design clean with no ports to worry about. Color options are Dansha Orange, Glacier White, and Yardong Black. I personally would grab the Glacier White or the Yardong Black because those are going to be the most versatile day-to-day, but that orange is going to absolutely pop if you want something that stands out. So who is this watch actually for? Honestly, it is for the person who wants a premium fitness experience without paying premium smartwatch prices. If you are into swimming, running, outdoor workouts, or you just want solid health monitoring, including heart health on your wrist, the Watch Fit 5 Pro is making a very strong case for itself. It is not going to replace a full-blown smartwatch if you need apps and a full ecosystem, but as a dedicated health and fitness companion with great hardware, it looks like a genuinely solid option. The Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is expected to officially drop on April 29, 2026 at around €280. That is right around the corner, so keep your eyes on this one. If you want to see more first looks, breakdowns, and honest reviews on the latest tech hitting the market, make sure you are subscribed because we cover everything as soon as it drops. Hit that like button if this video helped you out and drop a comment below letting me know if you're thinking about picking this one up or if you are waiting to see the full review. I read every single comment. I will catch you in the next one.